like it look ashy. Let me wipe the camera off. Let me wipe y'all off real quick. I feel like it was giving ashy. Anyway, y'all, what's poppin'? Tell them what's poppin', Buddha.
What's poppin'?
Hey. What's up, y'all? We about to do that little bottle flipping challenge thingy thing, right? But we gonna eat noodles because we hood like that, you know what I'm saying?
Niggas is just gonna be niggas.
But I gotta make the noodles first. And we eating the OG noodles. I already opened them and started putting them in the bowl, as y'all can see. Huh?
Can I put the shit right there?
Yeah, you can do it so you can play the challenge.
Yeah.
But yeah, y'all. So right now I'm about to put the noodles in the oven. I mean, in the oven, in the microwave. What y'all be putting y'all noodles on? Cause I put mine on. Y'all, I'm pregnant. Let me tell y'all something. I've been using the same number for noodles for years. For some reason today, I cannot remember what I used it for. I think it's 330 or 430. I don't know, y'all. And that's crazy. Anyway, y'all, before I get into this video, hit that like. Come on, boo. Come on, tell them.
Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that little bell.
Okay, let me tell y'all something. If you're not eating your noodles, with garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, seasoning, salt, then y'all can't even see me. If you're not eating your noodles with all that, so okay, this what happen when you gotta record on a kitchen counter and you don't have an island. This is what happens, cause y'all can barely see me and see the food at the same time. But if you don't season your noodles like this, your noodles is not busting, and that's a fact.
Off on them grave. Off on them grave.
And I'm gonna title this bottle flipping challenge the ghetto one, because this kind of from when we eat noodles, and then look how I'm seasoning them.
Grandma, you remember those?
But they about to bust, huh?
You remember those cupcakes were so good?
Yeah, I made cupcakes yesterday, y'all. They were so good.
Yeah, she know how to bake a little. That's what she said.
I know how to bake a little.
Yeah, that's what you said.
These about to be busting. And he like hot sauce, but I don't want no dang on hot sauce in my noodles. Like, okay, here, I'm gonna just have to stand back here. Come on. Can they see you?
Yep.
No, they can't. There you go, like that. You gotta stay like that, okay? Get down. Don't lean up. Sit down. Yeah, like that. That way they can see you, okay? All right, go ahead. No, you gotta keep going till you get it. You gotta keep going till you get it. You gotta keep going till you get it.
No, B squad plus to like flip and then there's the next person if they don't get it.
Okay.
My turn.
Oh, my bad. I'm gonna keep going. We ain't gonna get these noodles, huh? Alright, I try to move y'all back a little bit, but this what happen when you ain't got a island like everybody else. But
my turn.
It keeps getting stuck in the. Dang, we ain't gonna never eat.
Mom, I said do it one time. And then pass it to the next person if they don't get it.
I'm cheating.
Yep. I'm cheating.
We suck at this. It looked easier when they was doing. Okay, hold on.
Nope.
Hold on, my bad. Here, I done flipped it in my hand. This counter in the way is irritating.
We're not doing that. We're supposed to do this. Oh shoot, hold it top.
Oh! Okay. You in my way. You gotta move the noodles over there. Here. Oh shoot, my bad.
It's okay.
Oh, I got it. Okay, your turn.
Oh shoot. The counter, this is messing me up. This can mess me up. I just gotta. Oh,
You just tried to cheat.
No, because it almost landed. And then it got on the floor. Oh shoot.
That's cheating.
Oh!
Alright, okay, go ahead. Alright. I gotta go around him. Move the bowl over there when you eat, Buddha. There you go. Damn, almost had it. I got it.
You would like it almost landed and then it just landed.
Do it over here so it won't get hot. Hit it on here.
Okay. I'm trying to.
Almost. Almost. Almost.
Got you.
Almost. Oh! Move it over there.
Oh!
You okay?
Yeah.
All right. Hey, boy! Go ahead. Let me see. You got it, baby. You got this. You got this.
Hello?
You got it. Almost. Almost. Nope, that don't count. Because it landed on something. You gotta try it. You gotta land it standing up. Oh! Okay. The noodles over there. That don't count. Oh! I did it again. Y'all, this low key kind of fun. Y'all gotta do this with y'all peoples. We should did it for money, huh?
Yeah.
Whoever wins get $10,000. That's how YouTubers be. We don't got $10,000 to be just playing a challenge.
We got $100.
Look at that.
We too. I'm broke.
All right, don't put that in. We about to be rich though.
Yep.
Don't. We gotta put that in the universe. We can't keep saying.
Yes.
We gotta put in the universe that we gonna be rich. All right, my turn. Just the last one, okay? Come on!
Mom, stop doing that. You're supposed to do it in the right way. Not like that. No, Mom, be like this. Hold it top like this.
I know, Buddha. Oh. 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 I can't get it no more, Buddha. We should have got something to drink too, Buddha. Had something to drink included with this. We about to drink Kool-Aid with this. We eat noodles, gotta drink Kool-Aid. It's gonna be the Ghetto bottle flipping challenge.
Now stop doing this. You gotta be like this. No, you gotta be like this. Plus, no, you're supposed to.
Buddha, I see it.
Yeah, almost. Almost. It landed on the.
Dang! Why I don't want to go?
And almost. Oh shoot. Almost. Almost.
Come on, bro.
Almost.
Hey, finally. Last one. Okay, your last turn. You gotta do it. Last one. Last one. Good job. That was fair. Okay. All right, that was it. We go. I know this video was quick, y'all.
Yep. So guys, I won the last one.
Yeah, we gonna see who won when I edit the video. Who got it more times? Okay.
Okay.
Well, I think it's we take turns, so it's I don't know. Anyway, y'all, we gonna end the vlog end the video right here because we just wanted to do that challenge. I seen it trending, I seen it going around or whatever, so we wanted to do it. Thank you guys for watching. I can't talk. Thank you guys for watching to the end. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and still over there eating.
And like, subscribe, and hit that little bell.
You ain't say. I said don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and
hit that little bell.
Okay.
Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side.